We're back on another wild camp in the Yorkshire Dales, on an island. We have been here before, but Chris says he's got a surprise for me. Now, he said that it could make the camp a better camp, a different camp. No idea what it is, absolutely no idea what it is. He's not give up any clues. I did ask him if it was kitchen sink.
Still on order.
Still on order, is that? I've got Rodders and Walters with us on this one. We're back to basics, bit of scenery, and I shall play some shat music. We'll see you a bit further down. Still won't come back from camera. It is time. Go for it. Packs are really heavy tonight.
Mine's always heavy.
I know, well, yeah, it's true. Tell us, how much do you carry into camp?
I wouldn't fall in the river if I didn't have that on there.
Yeah, yeah. So it says, so it says. So this is an absolutely stunning spot. We will get packed up. Not packed up, that's the script for morning. We will get set up and we will bring you back. And let's see what Chris's surprise is. This has got to be my absolute favourite spot, 100%. Surrounded by trees. Whee! Surrounded by water. Honestly, superb here. It's one of my favourite spots in Yorkshire Dales. This is the second time we've been. We're almost set up now, and we're going to put some food on because we are Marvin. It is only 5 o'clock. Yeah, food will be coming up, I imagine, very shortly. But yeah, superb spot. Even the boys are wanting their food. So I've been told the surprise will work, won't it?
It will work.
It will work.
Whether I can do it or not, it's a different matter.
Still don't know what it is. Still don't know what it is. So stay tuned, because it's going to be as much as a surprise to you it is for me as well.
It needs to be light to do it.
It needs to be light. So it's 5 o'clock. So we've got a good couple of hours still to do it. A couple of hours of daylight left. Little Mid is working this weekend. Boo, yeah, he's working. So he cannot join us this week. But he will be back at some point. Probably winter time, to be honest. The surprise that is brought. Now me, Chris, Little Mid have always camped in tents. Now it could change the whole dynamic, this, going forward for Middies Go Wild, because it's something that I've never really been bothered with or interested in. Do you want to see it? I'm not going to show you. You're going to have to keep watching. So some of you will have seen my alcohol stove from the last video, and I am on the Ridge Monkey and alcohol stove tonight. I've got, look at this. Look at this. What is that? Flick it off. He's alright. He's alright. But look at Chris's little alcohol stove. Look at that.
Do you know how much it was?
How much was that?
60p.
60p from
AliExpress.
AliExpress.
I bought it as a filler, you know, because you've got to spend so much, haven't you, for delivery?
Can you say that again?
You've got to spend so much for delivery, haven't you?
Yeah.
You've got to spend up to 15 quid, and I was looking for stuff to make an order up that I bought.
60p for a little alcohol stove. I need something to eat. I've got maple barbecue pork steaks with salami, pepper salami and smoked cheese, with a couple of bread cakes. And Chris has got chicken fajitas. Chicken fajitas. But look at this little alcohol stove, 60 pence. That's a cracker, look at that. So we're just having his food now. And Chris, as always, like Michelin's. If you can carry it, bring it. Definitely feel it. Cheese, salami, pepper salami, pork steaks, maple barbecue pork steaks. I am corrected. Let's get them in. Right, I'm out. So Chris is going to talk you through his version of chicken fajitas. So stay tuned.
Tortilla wrap.
Tortilla wrap. And what's on there?
Coleslaw.
Coleslaw. Coleslaw. Yep. Here we go. Cheese. 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 If you're watching. And look at this. Oh yes.
Chicken, mushroom and onions.
Now does it beat its salt and pepper chips from a couple of weeks ago? Because they was amazing. They were amazing with them. If you remember from the cook-off that we had, that I think that you won, didn't you?
Yeah, I think I won that.
Yeah, you did win it, yeah. Can't go wrong, mates. You cannot go wrong. And I have got oven bottom. Now I would call these bread cakes, but on the packet,
oven bottom cakes.
yeah, but on the packet it said muffins, and that could cause absolute,
It could that.
absolute controversy. Controversy?
Controversy. Yeah.
Controversy. What do you call them? What do you call them? I call them bread cakes. I'm from Leeds. Bradford call them tea cakes, but I reckon tea cakes have got.
Do you know what I like, Greg? I like baps.
I need to eat Cliff. I like baps too. The food was absolutely delicious. We were surrounded by midges when we first sat down, and I'll be honest, Chris has got a tiny rappel, and we had some little josh sticks going. But they went, so not sure about the Scottish midges.
They might be harder up there.
Yeah, they might be a little bit hard up there, but definitely the tiny rappel tonight 100% worked. I would say so, wouldn't you, Chris?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, but yes, back to basics. Back to basics. Might do a thumbnail. Back to basics. The shat music has been and played. Drone footage. Cup of tea. We've got. Oh, where are they? And then at morning, coffee bags. So we'll let you know how they taste it morning. Coffee bags. No funny skits tonight. No part 2.
Bombed out.
Yep. Paul Mesner never commented on the video, so there's no part 2. If he'd commented on the video and said, yeah, that were good, we might have done a part 2, but nah. It's been axed. It's been axed. He's brought an hammock. Get in it.
You getting it?
I go back foot camera. You get in there.
Oh, fuck's sake.
I'm really hoping it goes wrong first time, because if it just gets in it and sinks in, it's just going to be that's it, isn't it? That is it.
Oh, I'm snagged. I'm snagged.
Snagged already. An hammock. Can't believe it. An hammock. I mean, I'm going to have a little go in it, but you might be sleeping in it, might you, tonight if you. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Higher.
Hiya.
Definitely higher.
Hey, do you know what? Oh, you smell like fish.
Just needs to be higher, doesn't it?
Yeah.
We'll come back in a minute. Take 2. We hire it. First time we've ever put an hammock up.
Does
So.
it? Does it need to be? I'm off floor.
Well, your ass is. I reckon it needs to be
How
higher.
close to the floor am I?
Yeah. You need to be swinging, don't you?
Can I not? How far off the floor am I?
That.
Oh, am I?
That. It looks like your ass is actually on the floor.
Oh no, that's alright, that.
Yeah. Here we go, look. Snappy bastards. So, sleep mat. Would you need one?
I don't think you would, but they put them in.
Yeah.
Sleep mat and pillow.
Sleep mat and pillow.
And hey, it's nice.
Look at this. Hammocks. How much then?
I'll have a look in a minute. It was less than 40 quid. It's only cheap. It's only cheap.
Less than 40 quid.
I was going to go to our usual website, but I was worried about quality. You only need a tap if it's going to rain.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I like that.
You like that? I'll have another go with it when I've taken my shoes off later on. There we go. Bit of hammock camping. Does any of my subscribers hammock camp? Do you prefer it? Let me know in the comments.
Have we done it right?
Yeah, I mean, I presume we've done it right. There's a couple of like drawstrings, you might be able to see them on camera, and then we've just pegged it out there on that side. Absolutely. This was really easy to do. And then we've just got another like guy line, I suppose, just to stabilise it. I like it.
I do as well.
Yeah.
I
mean, I can't really do hammock camping, but
not with dogs.
not with dogs, but I do like it.
If you were going for somewhere like this for
Yeah.
a couple of days,
Yeah.
it could be to chill out in the day.
Yeah, yeah. Have a little nap.
Yeah.
Take dogs to the tree so they don't wander off. Especially him. Rodders. Look at the state of your face. Look at the state of him, look. Diving. What's up with you, look? He is gonna sleep in it tonight, and if he don't get on with it, he's always got his tent as a backup. Yes. Bit different, that, isn't it? So, wild camping. Oh, I've got hiccups. Excuse me. Wild camping. What is your most... Oh! It's them burgers that... It's them burger. It's that burger and cheese that I've had. It's nothing to do with this orange cup of fluid. Nothing to do with that. Excuse me. What is your most favourite experience of wild camping? Is it a summit camp, valley camp, or any sort of camp where you... Oh my word! What time is it? Excuse me. Hold your breath. 10 seconds. I'll skip it. I'll skip it. Still doing it. I always get hiccups these days. Don't usually suffer with hiccups. What's your favourite wild camp experience? Put it in the comments below. Have you returned to it? Do you want to return to it? Whereabouts is it? Whether it's Wales, Lake District, Scotland, Yorkshire Dales. Any of them? Sorry. I'm just going to have a drink of this fluid from this orange cup. We're going to ask Chris now. And Chris can be on camera for a bit. I'm just checking I press record. Chris, what's your favourite... How many wild camps have you done now, Chris?
Is this the fourth?
No, it's not the fourth. It's more than that.
We did...
Can you see yourself?
Yeah. We did Gunnerside, Old Pot, here, and here again. Yeah, I've only done 4.
Have you done 4? Yeah, you've done more than 4.
Well, that's it.
Gunner side, old pot. Yeah.
Here.
This is only 4.
And here, yeah.
Well, what's your favourite one?
We haven't had a bad one yet when I've been, have we? I've been lucky. We've always had good weather.
Yeah.
We've not been pestered by midges.
A bit tonight, but the
little bit
tiny
tonight.
repel.
Tiny repel worked.
Tiny repel worked. Or the scented sticks have worked. You haven't been 4 times.
4 times, yeah.
No, I'm not having it. I feel like you've done
Well,
more.
If you ask me tomorrow, it could be this one. It all depends on that hammock.
Oh yes.
It does.
Gunner side, old pot. Gunner side, old pot.
Here. And then here.
Oh! It's just been 4.
Yeah. It's only 4th, yeah. The one we had to cancel.
And we had to cancel, yeah.
That'd have been 5, and then obviously there's that one I did with our last, but that were a campsite really.
Yeah.
So
feel
yeah,
like you've done more than
only
4.
It does, yeah.
Done it?
Yeah, it does. But yeah, it's only 4.
Jesus. What do you like about wild camping? What is the draw to wild? I've still got hiccups from this juice that I'm drinking. What is the thing that you like about wild camping? What draws you to it?
I like cooking outside.
Yeah.
It's better than a barbecue,
Yeah.
and I just like the peace and quiet, which I get anyway, but it's different when you're outside, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah. It is. As I said to our kid, put some fucking heart into it. So the solitude, the peace and quiet, the cooking, and we'll see it morning. Hammock.
This could change things.
This could change things, yeah.
Good. I might not wake up till 10 o'clock tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm waiting for me. Yeah, well, usually you've got spam and eggs on go
ready, yeah.
at what, 7 o'clock in the morning.
But yeah, we'll see how that goes.
Yeah.
Will I still be there in the morning?
Will he be in the hammock, or will he be? Will he be? Ollie will he be? Ollie will he be? Will he be back in this? Oh, what is going on? 10 seconds again. It's this juice. It's this juice from this cup. Or will he be in the tent in the morning? Fast forward until morning. We shall see. Rodney, get away from that water. Oh, and by the way, if you don't get any signal on your mobile coverage and you need to contact the missus or whoever, EE is the best place to go. Because I had O2 for 22 years and EE has been outstanding since I've changed over a couple of months back. Month back? Yes. Chocky table.
Get in sleeping bag and then get in. I think that's going a bit way forward. I don't know.
So we've got a flex tail. We've got flex tail in there.
It's all flex tail.
Flex tail pillar.
Mattress.
Yeah.
Soon to be lamp.
Yeah. Go on then. Get in then. Get in then. We're not seeing out. It's pitch black.
I'll try and do it inside.
We're not even seeing out. I don't. Anyway. We'll just do subtitles. We'll do subtitles. Chris is in. He's sat. He's sat. Tonight he is sat. He's in. Legs are out though. Legs are out.
I'm in.
Are you right? Oh, I'm just farted. Yep, you are definitely in, mate.
There's bug protection.
Yeah, bug.
I'm in.
I'm falling over.
Oh, because we can take up to it.
I'm under. I'm literally
Under me.
I'm under. Rodney's here. Rodney's Walter's. That's. Fuck. Okay. I can't breathe because Walter is literally. Oh, that's ridiculous. Let me pack. Let me get. Yeah. Right.
I can't stop running.
Walter proper jumped on me there. He pounced on me. Right. Walter. I can't even. Look. Are you in? I can see your legs.
Yeah, I'm in.
Yeah, I know you're in. Do you feel comfy?
Yeah.
Right. We're off. Chris, night.
Good night.
Night. We'll see you morning.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Will I be here? Will I be in
I
the
can't see. I can't see what you're doing here. Chris has got in the hammock. I've got Walter licking my leg. I've got Rodders. Yep. Come on, yeah. Getting comfy over there. But do you know what? It's fun. And that's all that matters. That is all that matters. Listen. If you wild camp with dogs, if you wild camp on your own, it's all about the experience. It's absolutely fantastic. Either way, I'm pissed. They're just... Chris is in his hammock for the first time on this channel. We'll see you in the morning. And that's all that matters. Good night. Good night. It's the morning after. But we're packed up. We're already packed up. Another good cracking camp. Did you enjoy the hammock?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Just too warm though.
It's a changer.
Yep. So
Comfiest,
it may be
comfiest
a
bed
regular item on the on Middies Go Wild. I don't know whether you've seen the drunkenness from last night. If I've edited it out, but
It got worse.
it got worse. Yeah, it got worse. We'll see you on the next one.
See you in a bit.
Bye bye. Let's go, boys.